If you are a Nigerian living abroad, irrespective of country, and you want to renew your Nigerian passport, this video is for you. Ensure to share it with as many Nigerians as possible. Now, in order for you to be eligible for a renewal, you must be between 18 years and 60 years, and you must have a Nigerian passport, and you must also have your Nigerian identity number, NIN. Now, if you are within this category, your first step is to go and download the NIS mobile app from the App Store. So far, you can only find it on the Google Play Store. It is not yet available for the Apple users. So after you've downloaded and installed the app, you open the app and complete the registration process just for you to have full access to the app. Once you have access to the app, the first step is to click on the option that says Passport Application Services. The next step is to click on the option that says Start New Passport Application. Once you click on that, it will then ask you, are you applying from within Nigeria or outside of Nigeria? You have to select the option that you are applying from outside of Nigeria. After that, it will take you to the portal where you now need to officially register on the Nigerian Immigration Passport Portal. Once you register and you have your complete login, it will then take you to the first step, which is to put in your Nigerian identity number, including your date of birth. Once you do both of that, it will verify you and it will confirm if you are eligible to proceed. Then you can follow the application process, following all the instructions to the end. Now, before payment, go back to your homepage for the passport application service and select the option for biometrics enrollment. Now, in order for you to begin with this contactless biometrics enrollment, you would require your application number and reference number, which I initially mentioned. Ensure to follow the steps, which is to verify your identity. Now, should in case the system does not allow you, you always have the option to book an in-person appointment at your closest Nigerian embassy. After you've completed the biometrics enrollment, go back to your passport application itself and follow the process to the end. And at this point, you can now go ahead and pay the fee. The fee is usually around $100, but it can vary based on your currency. The final step will be for you to print out your application, your biometrics confirmation, proof of payment, including your passport that is about to expire. You have to put all of that in one envelope and mail it to the closest embassy that you'll be designated as per your application. Depending on your country of residence, you may be required to also pay an administrative fee. All of that will be on the application itself. So once you mail your passport to them, including those documents, the timeline for you to receive your passport can vary. Now, finally, I want you to understand that this entire process is not as smooth as I have said it. There are some times you may encounter glitches on the app or on the portal. There are even cases whereby the system may not recognize your national identity number, or it will give you several errors. Just be patient and follow the steps through. But should in case you have any questions, you can always contact the Nigerian Immigration Service.